Hey guys, it's All Terrain Trailers, the new home of the Colorado off-road trailer. We're located in beautiful Boulder City, Nevada. This is one of our 6x12 setup for multi-use. This is great if you guys need it for personal or business use. It's insulated windows, power, air conditioning, has a storage cabinet, rollover sofa in it, and a whole lot more. We're going to go through all that right now. You guys can check us out online at allterraintrailers.com. Now this is again our 6x12 with the bronze blackout. This is the off-road package, so you do have about 19 inches of ground clearance. This is actually a used 2024. It's in excellent condition, and it does come with a 32-inch mud terrain tire on it, and again about 19 inches of ground clearance. Still has a brake on it as well, so you guys can get this back in the fields and go further and access places that you can't with the standard cargo trailer. It does have a generator box and platform on the tongue. That's a great place for that to ride and store. We also use a removable front coupler right here, side swivel jack, twist lock plug. It's going to plug in just like a camper will and bring all of your 30 amp power into the trailer. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection. We use a step as well because it sits up nice and tall. You guys can see we've got the awning door open right now. This is a great multi-purpose door. You guys can flip it up, use it for just to be able to see outside. People serve out of it. We use it for command centers, all different kinds of purposes there, or simply just leave it locked down. It's got 2 deadbolts on it and you can use it as a wall. Exterior GFI outlet, stabilizer jacks there, roof rack and ladder. We've got a great exterior LED party light right there. Rear ramp door does have rear deck option on it, 2 load lights off of the back, and then coming quick around over to here, we've got a ladder, and that's going to be to access obviously your roof rack up there. It's great for rooftop tents, additional storage space. We've got exterior lighting on all 4 sides of this trailer. You've got party lights on both sides, and then we've got the load lights there. I don't believe there's one on the front, so you'll have exterior lighting on 3 of them. And then let's check out the inside here. It's super cool. It's got a 6'6" interior height, so you can stand up inside. Insulated walls and ceiling. We use a double layer flooring. It's got a Nudo, which is a waterproof product underneath, and inside's got your 1-piece rubber coin floor. Also does come with a battery box, battery charger, battery disconnect. Here's your 30 amp panel right there. This battery is super cool because it runs all those exterior lights we looked at. It runs your interior power fan, which is this guy right here. You can pull air in, push air out. Also runs these interior puck lights, so you guys can fully function other than AC with just that nice little battery. Then this one does have some D-rings in the floor. You've got 2 D-rings back here, all aluminum lined walls and ceiling, as you can see. Couple of windows, so when this is down, you'll have 2 windows here. This is our rollover sofa. This is awesome. You guys could set this up as like a mobile shop if you wanted to do that. And you can use this as a couch, of course, folded all the way up against the wall if you guys are going to load stuff in here, or use it as a bed. So multi-purpose. Overhead, we've got our AC unit with a heat strip, couple of 4-foot LED lights. These are going to be 110 and need the generator for that. We've got some nice little E-track set up here. This one's got a little bin in it. You guys can do shelving bins, all kinds of cool stuff with that E-track. And then a nice big storage cabinet here as well. And it does lock. Oh, they've got it locked right now, sorry. But you guys can see, you can open that up and store whatever you need in there. So again, great multi-use trailer, mobile office. You guys can use it for fun, haul your side-by-sides, smaller side-by-sides in the 6x12, ATVs, dirt bikes, etc. Or like I said, work out of it and do your thing and make some money. So here it is. We'd love to earn you guys' business. Come and see us in Boulder City, Nevada, and check us out again, allterraintrailers.com or 702-715-4610. You can call or text us there. Be sure to like and subscribe, and you guys have an amazing day.